How to connect Shopify with Facebook. Hello guys and welcome back. In today's video we're going to see how you can connect your Facebook with your Shopify. So let's get into the video. First of all, what you need to do is you have to open shopify.com and then you need to access your shop. After you open your shop, you're going to reach this home page, and in this home page you're going to see a sidebar menu, and in there you're going to find an option which says apps. Open this option which says apps, and then you're going to find an option app and sales channel settings. Open that up, and in there you're going to see this option which says Shopify App Store. So we're going to download an integration, an app that is going to let us access Facebook and connect Facebook with Shopify. So for that purpose, you need to visit the Shopify App Store. Open the Shopify App Store. It's gonna look like something exactly like this, and it is going to give you different kind of apps that you can connect your Shopify with. In there on the search bar, we are going to search for the app that we want to connect, which is Facebook. So when you are basically connecting Facebook for the business purpose, then Facebook and Instagram both are hosted on the Meta Business Suite as united by this basically the new integration of the whole Meta Business. Both of your shops, the Instagram shop and Facebook shop, is connected at Meta Business Suite. Rather than connecting a Facebook or Instagram differently or dividedly, you connect this Meta Business Suite to your Shopify. Like here you can see that I have Facebook and Instagram right here. This is the Meta Business Suite. So this is what I'm going to install. If you are just adding Facebook for Pixel, or if you are adding Facebook for some other purpose, then you can find the notable or accessible app for that. But I'm going to add the Shopify business app because it is a business that I want to connect. So that's why I am adding Facebook and Instagram. Click open this app, and you're going to find an option to get app or install app. Do that, click on that. You can see that it has rating of 3.2 stars and reviews are also good, and the developer is Meta. You have to make sure the developer must be Meta. If it's something, it is someone else, then this is not the app that you're looking for. It is grow your business on Facebook and Instagram while managing orders, Facebook and Instagram shop, so you can sell from one inventory while easily creating ads and shoppable posts right where your customers are. So this is a great app. Click open the app, install the app, and after installation it is going to look something like this. Now what you can do is you can simply click on this option which says start setup, enter your Facebook credentials, open your Meta Business Suite, and you're good to go. Everything will be synced, your inventory will be synced, your products will be synced, and your shops will be the same. What you sell on Instagram or Facebook is what you sell on Shopify. So it is a very good thing that you can integrate. It is going to make your whole business thing very easy for you. So this was it for today's video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. Please give this video a big thumbs up and also subscribe to Software Made Easy. Thank you.